Hey guys, it's King Gamer's channel here, and today I am going to be playing Roblox. So I'm stuck here and I'm going to restart my character. Okay, so this is my work. I have 50 monies. So first I'm going to be doing that. So what? She wants to take a pepperoni pizza, so like that. Okay, that would be good. No, I did it wrong. Would you like to try our pepperoni pizza? That's what I'm gonna say. Hey, give me a sausage pizza. Look. Okay, there's somebody over here. It feels like I'm the only one, but yeah. How many tacos would you like?
Do I have to read this back? Oh, yeah. No, Mommy, you gotta wait to the end. I didn't read that one yet. Cat, robber,
Mountain Dew. Oh no!
a cat,
I don't know. I can't even read that. Okay, what would you like?
again.
Lady, what would you like?
Asleep by his dinner. When it was
Mountain Dew?
snatched from under his nose, the cat wobbled, did not leave any paw print. The dog.
When it gets dark, I'm gonna leave, okay? I like pepperoni. Oh, I accidentally pushed cheese.
The cat wobbled has striped, snatched from that cat. The people on
Do, 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 do,
to feed their cat. Inside and keep off their doors.
It's something pizza. Pepperoni.
Tiger.
Alright. Lady, what would you like?
The tiger tore plate
Cash out. Come on.
drums at the cat wall on Sunday. That's when everywhere came to cats from everywhere came to the ball.
Okay, I'm gonna go off work, okay?
One night there were no windows and
no wind.
no wind, and the moon was big and bright. The tiger tore wall.
It's trio.
I don't take a car, but I don't take a car. I'm gonna see if I could get that TV when I wanted. Yes, I still have it. I'll take a lady. Welcome to the dump. Can I help you with anything? I want to buy furniture. I want the motor to wait.
Blue hits fat cat.
Okay, let's retry. I wanted to check out the. I wanted to check out the chair over there. I don't know what it is. Don't know how much money it costs. But yeah. The Sky World is going to cost you 150 money. Would you like to buy it now? Yes.
Hold and get
Have a nice day. Okay, it's purchase complete. I have one of these
not
now.
very nice.
One of these.
Red eyes.
I'm not gonna close that. I do not have a Roblox account. So now I'm gonna go show you my house. Oh.
No scraps.
I went the wrong way.
The alley cats that live behind the mound are hungry.
Okay, here's my house.
Only,
So you come in. And there's a huge band
only
drum right here.
Store owners.
And there's bed.
the
So
store
let's add
are not putting out
gear.
any food in their trash cans. One store only
Oh, rotate.
Owner.
owner
Suggested.
Rotate.
suggested that
There.
anyone put food in their trash can. He said
Okay.
the alley cats do away.
So I guess that's it for this